Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Welcome to BiqasASMR because ASMR. So, how are you, people? How are you? Hope you guys are doing great, having fun. Okay, so today's video is going to be very relaxing video, very relaxing video. If you are finding, if you want to sleep, or if you're like want to have kind of a relaxation, so just at the right place. Actually, I'm reading. Can you listen? That's why. Okay, just give me a second. I will be back. Okay, we are back here. We are back. Okay. I'm suffering from fever. It's kind of flu. Like it's not flu right now, but I'm actually going to have that. So okay. So I will try to whisper, but I can't because I will breathe. So you will listen a lot of breathing sound. That's why I'm speaking. I am whispering that instead of I'm speaking soft spoken. Yeah, instead of whispering. So here I have the two. Let's start with them. Just relax. Just relax. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Good. Very good. And keep listening. And I'll try there will not be any kind of noise or any kind of sudden noise, that makes you very irritating. So it's going to be very relaxing. Relax, 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 relax. Can you feel it? Isn't it relaxing? If this video makes you relax, if you feel relaxed, then do let me know in the comment section. I will make more videos like this. Or if you want any kind of video which you like, or if you have any kind of request, just do let me know as well. Relax, 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 relax. I know. You just need personal attention. So relax, just relax. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, just close and keep closing. Okay, that's good. And feel it. It's relaxing. Sleep well, sleep well, sleep well, sleep well, sleep well, sleep well. good dream that will make you happy, that will make you relaxed, that will make you fresh. So keep closing your eyes and try to sleep. 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 You know what? I am also getting sleepy. Also getting sleepy. Just relax. Just close your eyes. Like you just gotta put the volume higher, like more. Just you can just listen to me. Listen to my eyes only. There are no more sounds. Relaxing. Keep listening, dear. Keep listening. You need relaxation. You need to get relaxed. So keep listening. Keep your eyes closed. You don't need to open those and try to sleep. I know you can sleep and you will be sleeping very soon. Just try to sleep. Focus. There is nothing rishy here. There is nothing noise. There is nothing like tensed or something like which make you feel in trouble or in like. Just relax. Don't panic. Don't be panicked. Just relax. Don't panic. Don't be panicked. Don't. I'm tapping. Hand sounds. Two in one. Water and hand sounds. 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 Relax. Okay, so it's Asan time here, so I'm not going to make more video anymore. I'm so sorry about that. You can just go previous. Just refresh the video and I know it's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes, so it's going to be very late. So I will be making the video soon for the next day. Till then, we'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Oh, happy. Yeah, happy. This is what you gotta do. Always happy, okay? Okay. So it's Asan time here, so I'm not going to make a video anymore, okay? I'll meet in our next video.